Dak bakadau bakadon kejing ekon kabaya khat hapadeng ka Congress bat ka National People's Party haka election MP Lok Sabha na Tura Parliamentary Constituency kabla penlong men haka khat kendai trik yayong arja arpsau urakam sangma unoi lam ka NPP bat menteri bari kmi ya ketenat pulik haka sarkar MDA tu ulaong bom Shaniah la ka BJP kala Kyrshan em ya ka NPP hatura kumban sukudau baka Congress kala penyeng ya kun dau salang sangma MLA na Gambegre kumukertong haka election MP na Tura persya ya ka Agatha sangma ke NPP kebanang penkrek benjob yang nak negasi nalor uzenet en sangma ke All India Trinamool Congress baru 11 CH Mara kumu kertong simen ula ongpat baka NPP kan job da Khyndiat vote pat keno bagi nong Kyrshan ke Trinamool Congress ru ki Kyrshan ke Congress bat penklan yau saleng.
How confident is the NPP ahead of the results?
This time is very interesting election we have experienced. Unexpected. We have had a very tough fight, unexpected tough fight in Kyrwoh as well as in Shillong. So, but however, with a God's grace, we are expecting that with a very small margin, NPP looks like we will send back Madam to Delhi.
Why only small margin? What is the reason?
Look, all the TMC supporters has supported Congress candidate for the reason best known to them. I don't know why TMC has given up fight. So like this opposition parties supporters like especially TMC supporters went back to vote for Congress for the reason best known to them. So this was one of the reasons. But however, there's a multiple issue was there, and especially the main wrong misleading propaganda using the religious sentiment is something that has been very seriously the matter of concern. So even the church has been carried out. But I don't think so. But however, there are some church people has been carried out with the propaganda being speak in the election time. But I don't think so. The sound doctrine church leaders, sound doctrine Christian believer will not go with that, with all these things happening, because they will go what the scripture says. That many misleading, misinformation propaganda has been carried out against certain parties, certain individual. So forgetting the sound doctrines the church should have. So this is something the matter of concern. No, the opposition party has used that word only, but I don't know how far this. But suppose, for example, I don't know, BJP did not put up the candidate for Shillong and for Tura. Suppose in Tura, in last MLA election, BJP got 90,000 votes in the last MLA election. If they support, 90,000 voters should have gone to NPP. Would have been a blessing. But I don't know whether that has happened or not. So rather, BJP did not put up candidate for the best reason to them. NPP did not seek the support. But BJP did not put up the candidate. Why? In the MLA election, Honorable Prime Minister came to Tura. Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji came to Tura. They campaigned for the candidate, but nothing happened. There is no impact. Knowing of all this, the BJP might have decided why we spend our resources, our time unnecessarily. Well, we're going to defeat them, but they haven't put up the candidate. Therefore, but they said they have directed their cadre, the voters to vote for NPP. But I don't know whether they have voted or not. If BJP voters voted for NPP, we may be winning easily. But I don't know whether that is converted or not. But I don't know whether that has been supported in spirit, in letter and spirit or not. So, but however, the opposition took the advantage to mislead, to misinform, mispropaganda people about the things taking this. But this is something which is not correct, not a good sign in the future.
You said about Tura, what about Shillong?
Shillong is very interesting. Whoever winning the MP, I wish my best wishes. So I don't know, Shillong is also very different type. But But to me, Shillong is a prestigious seat. And Shillong might have known which party should send, which candidates should send to Delhi. Because Meghalaya, we don't have resources. Whoever comes to whoever come to the power, whoever will be the MP, whether it's NPP, the BJP or UDP or BPP or any party, Meghalaya able to run the government with the mercy of the central government. We don't have any resources. So whoever will be the MP should be able to connect well with the central government to bring the development, to bring the to issues that we have, right?
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai Khyndiat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.